and welcome to Visual Support for All. Today we're going to look at nature. Our first sign is tree, and then we have plant. That could be used for grow as well. The next is flower. It's like smelling the flowers. Flower. And then we have birds. That's birds. We have a couple of colours. So the first one is green and the next is brown. And then we have grass and leaf, like drawing the outline of the shape of a leaf. Next is insects that you might find in the woods or in the sky. Then we have river, and we all know that nature is peaceful. So enjoy and relax. And that's it for today. Have a good day or a good night. Goodbye.